In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to see available quests in Discord on your PC, step by step. If you've ever wondered where Discord quests are located or how to check which ones are currently available, this quick guide will walk you through it in the simplest way possible. And if this helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy tech tutorials just like this one. Let's jump right in. First, open Discord on your PC. You can do this by launching the desktop app from your computer, and once it loads, make sure you're signed into the account you want to use. When Discord opens, take a look at the top left section of the screen. This is where you'll find the main navigation area. In that top left corner, you should see the Quests option. Go ahead and click on Quests. Once you select it, Discord will show you the available quests currently offered on your account. From here, you can browse through the quests, check what tasks are available, and see what rewards or activities may be included. If you don't see anything right away, just make sure you're on the correct account and that your Discord app is fully updated. Sometimes features can appear differently depending on app version, region, or account eligibility, so it's always a good idea to refresh Discord if needed. But in most cases, all you need to do is open Discord, click Quests in the top left, and view the available quests from there. It's really that simple. This is a handy feature if you want to discover new activities, unlock rewards, or just keep track of what Discord has available for your account. If this tutorial helped, please give it a like, subscribe for more Discord tips and tutorials, and I'll see you in the next one.